In this tutorial, we will show you how to manage SMS autoresponders. An SMS autoresponder is used while configuring SMS notifications. There are many events to which the auto SMS triggers, such as roster approval notifications, sharing timesheets, birthday greetings, etc. To edit or personalize the template with your desired content, first navigate to the App tab, and click SMS autoresponders. You will see a list of predefined SMS autoresponders with the option to edit or inactivate with each record. You can add your desired content and merge fields from the list of variables mentioned below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.